Hi everybody, in this video, I'll show you guys an amazing, unknown free indicator on TradingView that can help you find market tops and bottoms. It gives free buy and sell signals, and can help you increase your account size immensely if used the right way. I'll also show you guys how to set up alerts so you're not watching charts all day long waiting for the perfect time. I'm going to be explaining the indicators and the strategy in detail with examples, so make sure you watch the video till the end, so that you don't miss any important tips or rules. By the way, if you guys are interested in amazing free buy and sell trades, make sure to join my Telegram group, the link is in the description. So for this trading strategy, we're going to be using two free TradingView indicators. It works with stocks, forex, and crypto, so you can try it on whatever market you trade on. So I'm using a Bitcoin USDT chart on a 15-minute time frame. And this is what your chart is going to look like once you're done with the settings. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do all of that stuff. So for our first indicator, we'll go to the Indicators tab and search for Buy the Dip, Sell the Tops. And add this one by Greg_007. As you can see, not too many people know about this indicator. Now we'll make some changes to this. So we'll go into settings for this indicator, and in the inputs, we're going to change the RSI length from 14 to 38. And in the style section, we're going to uncheck everything except for the buy label and the sell label. The second indicator that we're going to use is called the TTZM Oscillator 2.0. This one by buckets. Not a lot of people know about this one either. Add it to the chart and we are all set. We don't need to make any changes to this one. Now that our chart is set, let's get into the rules for entering a buy and sell trade. If you also want to trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, then take a look at the exchange BitGet. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can even use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. You can find the link to BitGet below this video. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to monitor multiple cryptocurrencies at once. BitGet is giving away a one-time deposit bonus of up to $3,999. Press the link below this video to sign up. So when it says, look to sell tops, it's going to be a signal for us to enter a buy position. Step 2. After you get a signal like this, you need to get 2 bullish candles. Exactly like here we can see we got 2 bullish candles after this candle. So you get in at the end of the second bullish candle, which will be the beginning of the third bullish candle. Now for the final step, you want to make sure when you're getting into a buy trade the TTZM oscillator is oversold. That means it should be below this line, and green. So whenever it's overbought, it's going to be yellow, and when it's oversold, it's going to be green in color. But make sure it's below these dots. So when all these rules are confirmed, we can safely enter a buy trade. So we'll enter the trade here, and set our stop loss will be recent swing low. Our take profit target for this strategy will be 2 to 1. This way, if you have some losing trades, your winning trades are going to make up for it. Now before we go through more examples of buy trade, let's first go through the rules for entering a sell trade. First of all, after you get your sell signal, you need 2 bearish candles to fully close it. And when these conditions are fulfilled, we will look for our third and final confirmation to get in a sell trade. We'll make sure that the TTZ oscillator is overbought. And as I explained earlier, when the market is overbought it turns yellow. So as all the conditions are met, we'll enter this trade right at this candle. Our stop loss will be at the recent swing high, and take profit will be 2 to 1 risk to reward. And this would have been an amazing profitable trade. So this strategy definitely has potential if used properly. Just make sure you wait for all the rules to be confirmed before entering a buy or sell trade. If you guys are interested in such amazing free buy and sell trades, make sure to join my Telegram group, the link is in the description. Now let's take a look at this. By the way, this strategy works much better on the longer time frame, so I wouldn't recommend using this on the 1 minute or 5 minute time frames. We can see here the market is oversold, and we got a buy signal, so we wait for 2 bullish candles, but we can see here we did not get 2 bullish candles, so this is a false signal and we will not enter this trade. Similar goes for any other rules. If any of the other explained conditions are not met, you will not get into that trade. And this way you can eliminate many false signals from your trading. Now let's go through some more examples for both buy and sell trades. Here we can see we have a good example of a buy trade. We got a buy signal right here, and we can see the market is oversold. And we got 2 bullish candles after that. So we will enter this trade and set our stop loss at the recent swing low. And for a risk to reward ratio of 2 to 1, this would have been an amazing profitable trade. Similarly, here we can see all the rules for entering a sell trade are confirmed. We got a sell signal, then we can see we got 2 bearish candles after that, and for our final confirmation, we can see the market is overbought. So we will enter this trade following the rules explained. And for a risk to reward of 1.18, this would have been a profitable trade. So you have to follow all of the rules very carefully. The thing about trading is to be patient and wait for the right spots. Now let me show you guys exactly how to set up the alerts. By the way, if you are liking this video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing strategies like this. So for setting up alerts, first, you're gonna click on these 3 dots. Then right click on Add Alert right here. Then you're gonna set up this alert twice, one for the buy, and one for the sell. You're gonna make sure that this is on BTD/STT. Buy the dips, sell the top. And over here, when we did the setup, we unchecked all the things except for buy and sell, so we're gonna do one on for the sell label, once per bar close. This way when the bar closes with the signal, that's when you're gonna get alerted once per bar closed. Click Create, and that's set. Then you're going to come back up here again, and now we can do buy label, once per bar close. And create, so now you've got your alert set. So whenever there's a signal, it will alert you, and then you can check to see where the bars are. So basically that's the gist of this strategy. I would recommend this strategy, but make sure you backtest this strategy before using it in your trades. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also feel free to check out other amazing strategies on my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.